Okay, here's my project. It is a 2-speed motor, and it is audio source initiated. What happens is that the audio source here goes through this amplifier here, comes out to this switch, all right, which is a transistor. And what happens is that as the audio comes to the base of this transistor, it turns up the motor. That is the idea. Okay, so in principle, I can get it to work. I would demonstrate that the motor does indeed change speed. So watch. Here's the motor at the low speed. Here's the motor at the high speed. So it does in fact change speeds. The trick is, however, to have the amplifier produce loud enough a sound, large enough a signal, to actually turn on the base current here. And what I've been using what's called the loudest sound on the internet, which is the TXX sound effect. And what's supposed to happen is that as the sound goes through into the bass, it's supposed to increase the speed. Okay, so that's the idea. The trick now is to get the numbers necessary in order to do that.